How to rank your YouTube videos #1. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about how you can rank your YouTube videos #1. So let's get into it. Now, YouTube is a very popular platform for you to be able to make money and, enhance the video growth and enhance your channel. Now, there are so many different tools that are now enabling you to further your YouTube channel, but what is the actual way that you can follow that will enable you to rank your YouTube videos at #1? So first off is SEO. Now, why is SEO important for YouTube and what is SEO? So SEO is search engine optimization, and if I go on YouTube, one of the places where people spend the most amount of times is on the search pages of YouTube. If I search for a how-to tutorial, so how to cook cake or how to make brownies. So if I search this, a lot of people that are searching this are going to spend so much time on the actual search page because that is one of the most watched pages because people want to really know how to make something. So that is going to be one of the main reasons that you need to make sure that your SEO is on point, because if your YouTube video is ranking on the top search results, often people are just going to pick from here, and because that is going to be because they trust these initial results, and that is why it's essential to do your SEO research. So this will generate your new video content ideas as well. YouTube SEO will also impact your video engagement. It will also make sure that your Google ranking videos, that the Google ranking is similar to the YouTube ranking. So you can see these recipes that I see over here. If I copy these exact words and open Google up and paste and search for those, you're going to see that if I scroll down, these are the YouTube videos that are being suggested to me. So a lot of the YouTube videos that have the best SEO are also going to result on the video section on Google search. So this will enable you not only to get the top result or the top spot on YouTube, but also on Google as well. And you also have embedded videos that can also enable you to get more views on your YouTube video, and this will also help your SEO activity to make sure that your marketing strategies are working properly. Now, SEO is so essential. How do you actually go ahead and do your SEO research, find keywords, or optimize your YouTube channel? Well, first off, if I go onto my YouTube channel over here, you're gonna see this is just like a sample channel that I have. But how do you find SEO or find the keywords? Well, for this I have two tools. You have TubeBuddy.com, and then you also have vidIQ. You can go ahead and search on any of these two platforms. There are free versions as well, and you can just sign up via your Google account or sign up via your email address. And I'm just going to continue on over here. And once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and log onto your account on vidIQ or TubeBuddy and click on keywords over here on the top left. And once you do that, you can actually see all of your keyword opportunities. You can search for a specific keyword. So let's say I want to make videos related to food. So I'm just going to search for food over here, and then you're going to see the overall score of keywords. You're going to see matching terms, you're going to see questions, you're going to see related keywords, and this will not only help you in finding the best keywords to add to the present videos that you have, but also new ideas. So you can see in the question section, you're getting more ideas. So why warm food tastes better, how it's made food, how animals eat their food. So this will enable you to get a larger answer on how to further your content in a more directional fashion. Because if you're already making content on food, and if all of your content is not garnering as many views as you want, you can actually take a look at the question section or the matching term section to see what kind of content people are searching for, and then you can redirect your content creation in that format. So you can go ahead and browse the keywords over here. The search volumes for these I do think they are sometimes hyperinflated, but overall in terms of the keywords that you're going to receive, they are pretty good. So go on vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the keywords that you have. The second thing that you do once you have your keywords in line, you can go ahead on TubeBuddy, and you can also get started on TubeBuddy for free as well, and later on subscribe to more premium versions with the growth of your channel. Now, after you have done that, what you can do is you can also search for competitors for your channel. So let's say you can compare yourself to any specific channel to be able to actually be able to see what kind of competition you have, what keywords they are using, what kind of viewership that they are getting that is optimizing their channel more. After you have done your SEO word research or keyword research, then you're going to go on to your daily ideas as well, and you can see one of the top ideas that are trending on vidIQ, and then you're going to add your YouTube channel videos, and you're going to customize these aspects. So these 5 aspects are super essential to customize for your YouTube video. First off is the file name / title of your YouTube video. So you can see these two are the exact same video. One says Christina Perri the words lyrics, and one says my edited video. You can see this one garnered more views than this one. The reason for that is although they were posted at the same time, they're the exact same length and the exact same video. The only reason for that is this has a proper title and this does not. So if you go on to the YouTube studio over here, you need to make sure that when you're uploading videos or uploading content that you are actually going ahead and adding proper titles. So you can see you have your videos over here. Then whenever you are going ahead and uploading more videos, so if you click on upload videos, and once you upload videos, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure to add a suitable title. So make sure that the file name and the title are in coherence. So this is, although a lot of people just name their files whatever, make sure that there is a proper file name, and then you're just going to enter a proper title for your video as well. Let's say this is just a video on cooking, and that is just an example. So I would add a very interesting title. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that if you're going ahead with a tutorial, you're going to add how to. If you're going ahead and trying to make more trendy content, you're going to add something like TikTok, or adding TikTok or Instagram to the title often garners more clicks. Then the second tip is to add your tags and description. So number 2 and number 3 are tags and description. If I go back onto my channel dashboard, you need to make sure that you're adding a proper description. So you're going to add something like check this link in the description. So this is actually a link to your blog post or to any other post or redirection form. Then below that, what you're going to do is you're just going to add a couple of spaces, and then you're going to add a description to illustrate what you are doing in the video. And you need to make sure that the description is actually long enough. You need to make sure you're adding that you are adding a couple of lines of description. So make sure that it's like a 3-lane description. You don't want to go too short. And then below that, what you're going to do is you're going to start adding tags. So you can just name this tags, and then you can begin adding tags to your video. Then you're also going to select any playlist that you want to add this. Yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. And then you're going to add your age restriction if you want to. Then you can just click on next over here, and then add a end screen. So as you can see in my SEO tips, I have the thumbnail, closed caption, and end screen. These are the last 3 tips that you need to follow. So make sure you're adding a super drawing thumbnail. If I go on to YouTube, so if I go ahead and open YouTube and I search for brownies, so if the thumbnail is not relevant, like this thumbnail over here, I don't find it that interesting. This thumbnail is definitely not as good as this one, and the views are illustrating this as well, because the ones with the better thumbnail are doing better because people are going to make an impression on the first image that they see. So make sure your thumbnail is super good looking. You need to make sure it's interactive and interesting, and it's illustrating the task or the thing that is supposed to be illustrated in your video. Then after that, you have to make sure to add an end screen. So you need to promote relevant content. So if you're uploading a video on how to make brownies, then make sure that in the end screen you add like how to make vanilla brownies or how to make vanilla cake or something related to that. So YouTube wants people to spend as much time on their website as they possibly can, and if you are helping viewers to spend more time on YouTube, then they are going to promote your videos more. So make sure to add a end screen and then add cards. So you can add different sections of your videos. So make sure you're distributing your video and adding different cards that are separating the different sections of your video on what you're doing as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to follow through with these tips to rank your YouTube videos on number 1. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.